Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to set up ProtonVPN on Debian 13. First, ensure that all installed system packages are up to date to reduce the risk of conflicts during installation. Next, visit the official ProtonVPN download page and download the deb package for Debian. Alternatively, you can use the following command to download it directly in the terminal. Navigate to the directory where the deb file was downloaded and install it. Then, update your package list to include the new ProtonVPN repository. Now, install the ProtonVPN app designed for the GNOME desktop environment. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the ProtonVPN app from your application menu. Upon launching, you'll be prompted to log in, where you need to enter your ProtonVPN credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for ProtonVPN. The ProtonVPN app will display a list of servers. You can connect to the fastest server, choose a specific country, or select a server optimized for streaming or peer-to-peer. Click the Connect button, and ProtonVPN will establish a secure connection. You'll see a notification in GNOME confirming that you're connected. To disconnect from ProtonVPN, open the app and click the Disconnect button. To reconnect, click Connect again.